In this video, I'm going to be upcycling this metal rack into 2 separate stands for my apiary. We're going to mark and measure these pieces, then grab our goggles and dive in. I'm going to be using this cutting wheel to cut my rack in half. Be careful when you're cutting, as sometimes these wheels will chip. We're going to then cut off the cross braces in order to fully separate these halves, and then I'm going to shorten these legs so that they're only about 1 foot apiece, and then we're going to install these into our apiary. For this next segment, you'll be able to see me install these permanently into the apiary so that I can make sure that we have a long-term solution to our stands for our beehives. As you can see, I've been testing out a variety of stand designs. I'm really excited about the metal though, because it's not going to rust, and this is going to give me a wide base to put my beehives on. I'm using cinder blocks and brake rotors as the foundation, and then I am shimming underneath the stand with the cedar blocks or cedar planks. Then I'm going to reinstall my beehives, and I'm going to shimmy them to the front so that I can support the entrance of the hive and that the weight is evenly distributed. Looky there, they're all ready to go, nice and stable and sturdy, so we're going to remove the straps and let the bees do what they do best. If you notice, I have got a shelving unit behind me as well. That was another gift from my friend. I'm going to have another video where we take this gigantic shelf and upcycle it into some bee boxes.